Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to redeem a gift card or your coupon code on your Overstock application. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open your application and make sure that you are logged in. In order to go ahead and redeem a gift card, all you need to do is simply go ahead and add something to your cart. So for example, let's just say I'm going to go ahead and add something to my cart. And simply by adding something to your card, simply head to the cart, and then when you want to check out, so simply go ahead and head to checkout. When you check out, there's going to be on the bottom a tab that says payment, where you can simply go ahead and select use a gift card or a coupon code. There's also another section right over here which says coupons, and all the coupons are going to be listed right over here that you can use. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.